Okay, in our review, our last lesson, we learned about the letter I. Yes, the big I and the small I. What sound does the I make? You remember? Yes, I makes the I sound. Okay, I. Okay, so let's look at it. For the big I, remember, what do we call this? We call it top line, middle line, and bottom line. For the big I, we use all three lines, okay? So, for the big I, we start from the top line. We go across. And then, from the middle, we go straight down to the bottom line. And we go across again at the bottom line. We have the big I. Okay, one more time. From the top, we go across, down, and across. We have the big I. For the small I, remember, top line, middle line, bottom line. For the small I, we only use the middle line and the bottom line. Okay, so we start in the middle line. We're going straight down to the bottom line, and don't forget the dot for the small I. Okay, one more time. Start at the middle line, straight down to the bottom line, and dot. Okay, and we have the small I. Okay, the I sound. Let's look at some of the things. Some of the things that starts with the letter I. This one, you remember what it is? It is a house that is made from ice and snow. It is cold. What do we call it? Igloo. Yes, igloo. Igloo starts with the letter I. Igloo. Okay? Right here, it is made from ice and snow. Okay. Next one. We find it in our pen, we find it in our marker. It is the liquid inside of it, which allows us to write. We call it ink. Ink. Ink starts with the letter I, okay? Ink. Next one. Look at it. It is an animal. It is green. It has tails and spikes in the back of its head and body. What is it? You remember what it is? It is iguana. Iguana. Okay, the last one. This one. It has grasshopper, cricket, praying mantis, beetles. What do we call these? You remember? We call them insect. Insect. Insect starts with the letter I. So, let's go. Let's say it with the phonic sound of the letter I, the I sound, okay? Repeat after teacher. Igloo. Ink. Iguana. Insect. Okay, all of these start with the letter I, the I sound. So that brings us to the end of our review of the letter I. I will see you in a little bit for the lesson for today. Okay, bye.